in year 4 to the third celebration assembly this really well done for everyone who sent in any form of online learning over the last week. Even if you completed any of the online learning tasks, we're really impressed, really proud of all of your efforts. Keep it up. Only a few weeks now until summer, so do keep up your learning tasks. Email in as much as you can to your class teachers as well to be awarded an emerald, and some you get gold certificates for their work. So going straight into this week's celebration assembly, I'll just minimize myself. And this is for Friday, up until Friday the 22nd of May. Sorry, but it's a little bit late going up, but this is for last week's work. Again, well done to everyone completed any online learning. So we're going to start with year 3, Nightingale. First one goes to Anna. Well done for your online learning. Another one this week for Fiona for some brilliant online learning. And the next emerald is for Casper. Very well done, Casper. Seen some brilliant work from you last week. Very well done to Sabeda for your online learning. And really impressed with Dennis's online learning tasks. You've got an emerald this week. And Dennis, very well done with your online learning tasks. Also from Nightingale is Hera. Really impressed. You really impressed Mr. Loza and Ms. Fernandez with your work. And very well done to Aisha for your online learning this week. Also impressed with Adrian. Very well done for your emerald this week. Poojan produced some brilliant work this week, showing to Mr. Loza. Very well done. And so has Mansoor created some brilliant online learning work. Well done for the emerald. And lastly, Maha, really impressed with your online learning this week. Moving on to you, Lister. First emerald in Lister goes to Maria. Really impressed with your online learning task. Well done. Another emerald for Natalia this week. Brilliant work. Well done. Another one for Badut this week. Very well done on your emerald certificate. And Gabriella also has an emerald certificate. Very well done. So does Ashwini. Really impressed. Well done. Consistent work from Ashwini. And Ranchika. Very well done with your learning this week as well. Moving on to year 3 Seagull. Now, first emerald Seagull this week goes to me. Really well done for your efforts this week. Very impressed. Definitely impressed with Sparta. Equally impressed was Christoph's work this week. Very well done. Well done to Piotr. Really impressed with your online learning this week. Alana has got an emerald this week as well for your online work. So does Sophie. Well done, Sophie, for your brilliant work last week. Delia, really impressed with work. Miss Raza was really impressed with this pieces of work that you produced, so well done. And lastly, Dima, well done for emerald this week too. Moving on to year 4 parts. First one goes to Zikrea. Well done this week for your online learning. Cole gets emerald this week as well. Brilliant effort, well done. So does Ryan. Really hard work this week. Well done. Habiz, another emerald, sure you got last week. I think that week before, so 3 in a row. Really well done, Habiz, for your online learning. Aaliyah, impressive too. Really well done for your work. Jewel, another one for Jewel as well. Brilliant efforts. Well done, Jewel. Keep it up. Another one as well for Asia this week. Well done. And Amit as well. Brilliant work from you online this week. And lastly, Bianca. Very impressed with your online, Miss Pat. And Michelle was very impressed. Moving on to Mandela. First one goes to Trish. Consistently producing some brilliant work. Well done, Trish. You received last week, so well done. Another one for Stefania this week. Well done on your emerald. Pharrell, brilliant work this week. It seems you're right, and your work produced really good. Keep it up. Ajay too. Well done on your emerald this week. Alia, also very well done this week. And Shravan, brilliant efforts consistently again, Shravan, well done. Again, keep up the great work, everyone. Keep sending those your bits of work in. Any questions, always feel free to give school a call or email to your group email and your teacher will get back to you. Keep up the hard work, stay safe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.